Hi, my name is Saul Espinosa. I'm a consultant here in Beldon Roofing. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the differences in shingles and metal roofs. In shingles, they're very common here in San Antonio. There's very different colors that you can choose from. The longevity of them, we're looking around 10 to 30 years. It just depends on the type of shingle you choose. And well, the weather here in Texas, it gets pretty crazy here. And now on metal roofs, we're looking at a longevity of about 35 to 50 years, depending on the components you do use for them. There's different colors and actually different forms that you can bend the panel to give it a good, nice shape for it. And the good thing about them too, they're energy efficient and they're good for the environment. They help out since they're used from recycled materials, so that helps out nowadays. If you're in the market for a new roof, please let us know. We'll make sure we'll give you a free estimate and create a perfect plan for you and your home.